Hello my beautiful people, how na dey? Hope so na dey fine. My people, as I just dey waka for inside TikTok, I come see this video. I will play am for una make we listen to this lady wetin she talk about people going back home, you know, all those things. So may we play this video, make una listen, then before I will come put my small one join. Okay, may we just listen to the video.
So wetin I don't see for abroad. No Nigeria no wan return back home. Na money they no get. Na they make a lot of them talk saying security o, Naija no good. If they no be hypocrites, they travel out of Nigeria not be based on insecurity. They travel out of Nigeria based on poverty. They no get money, they won't go find money. If indeed they really get that money, no African person wants to stay this Western world after 40 years, 30 years. You want to remain here, they do waiting. Now because they no get money. If you get money, Oga, go back home. You can never live your dream life for abroad here. Abroad is good when you come young. And you don't dey at your young age. And many of you are so sad when they talk say Naija no good, Naija no good. What are you living here for? Africa is good when you are old. Old age is good for Africa. Not be here for abroad here. Abroad here, old age is very expensive. How much more? You will not even get money. You think the way you manage your life now, so you want to manage for your old age. See, my advice to you always listen to me. If you dey abroad and you are still young, you still get the energy. Work well. And do something back home. A person will retire from abroad, come back to Nigeria, where even they collect, let me just say, 10 million naira a year. It's even okay. You get your own house. What do you want chop? How much you want eat? Let us tell ourselves the truth. Here we cannot live our dream life here. We are all under this Oyibo. Even though say you get passport for this abroad, you can never be equal with abroad people. Oyibo don't see you as themselves. They see you lower than them. That's how they see you. No matter what you do, no matter the degree where you get, no matter the school where you go, you will still remain an African man where they lower than them. So stop all this rubbish. Do what you want, do on time, and do something back home. Many of you will they talk say Bongo no good, no even get plots of land. I encourage you this year, may you start by like that. Start by land banking. If you don't get anybody where say you trust, because that one be the most important things where a lot of people they face, the challenges where a lot of people they face, na management. Why not start buying small plots down? You put them for reserve, later maybe you can use it or you sell it, you know? Start by like that. This is 2025. Stop with all those old talk. Insecurity. Not because of insecurity you come out for Naija. You come out based on say you want to find money. Now suffer, make you come out. Now poverty chase you out. After you just stay 30 years, 40 years, I wonder you never still make the money. Many of you are not tell us the truth because a lot of African poor people, Nigeria poor people, they food this abroad. A lot of broke people food this abroad. The funniest part is that they don't come out to tell people the truth. They'll come go, they tarnish their own country image online. And no go there security. Bad things not they happen everywhere. Of course, a lot of our African people, they buy here for abroad. No justice, nothing. I beg, do not forget motherland. Do not forget the reason why you come. I know it's very tricky. I know I want to speak English. It is somehow. If you not get sense, you say maybe you not be well trained. Man or woman before for Africa, you fall for this, their light and their good road. All those things not go help your old age. Stand the point, you go see the good light and good road, you go dey cry. Abroad go tire you. No come waste for your old age, Oga Madam. Do something back home. Now when you still see the money, no come dey impress people. Only you want go buy jeans of 300 euro, 500 euro. In your old age, you are among the people that will cry. That know the last comment of a fool. A lot of people have touched money, but because they couldn't manage that money well. See, money to better for this life no come in block. Now small you take the come. How you use and matter. According to Gege, he says it doesn't matter how much you get. It matter how much you put in good use. Not the one they spend on want to people who care about you. If something happen to you today, the people where you want to impress online or in physical life, they will not even remember you again after 24 hours. Life will still move on. So why not do the one you can do now? Live a planned life and do something back home. Never you forget where you are coming from. Old days they come. Old days not far. It's very close. Do something now before you cry. I know the last comment of a fool. I be Lady Kate anyway, and this is Lady Kate Pidgin Talk. See you.
Hello, my people. Shall not don't hear that message. You know, say don't tell we they hear all these things. Do something back. Old days they come. This one, the other one, the rest one. My people, this video as I see, I need to bring and come. Okay, you know, say all these things of do something back. Old days they come. It depends of you. It depends of how you feel. You know, some people they here since when they come from Nigeria, they never go. They never go Nigeria. Not be like they get the document, their money there with them, but they just like they no want go. Me, I don't see person like that. He say no, they go. All because of say he lost his mama. Okay, when he lost his mama, the thing come like block for inside his brain, and he still get papa. He say no, they go there again. He say they suffer when mama suffer for her. You know, even when people they even they advise her, the thing no they like make am one go. You know, some people they like that way. Be say maybe he lost his mama, he don't lost his papa or his brother. Then they here they not feel like here that be their house. You know this do something back home. It don't say we the here. It depends of you. You understand? Me, I know the tell person me person not do something back home because me I do. So I not can't tell you now. Me you not can do. You know. But one thing where they talk about where you dey, may you make sure say you dey where. Because now there now you they enjoy. You understand? Now there where you dey. This abroad where we dey. Now most of all we dey here more than do something that's Africa. Oh, you understand? You know me say me you not do for home. Do because at any time maybe you want go house and your statistics there. Then now you still your own. But all like this one now say like this talk where this woman talk say at your old age you need to go back. Me I don't understand though. Your old age, you want go back. It depends of you. Some people their old age, they want spend down for a year because now year they can't day. When you day young, you day here, you can't old. When it be say you need your family because most people then get children for a year. They don't get it, even their grandchildren for a year. So only you as your old age, you can't pack your load, you can't go sit down for Africa. You get the way where it be who you want to carry go there. Your pikin, I be your grand pikin, where be said you born them for year, you want to carry them go back home. It depends. All this when you're old age, you need to go home, you know those things. It depends of you. Some people will be say in family, in pikin, everything, they Nigeria. That one, normal thing, he must go because why? His wife, his children, his grandchildren, now Nigeria then they. So you know if you can stay for here forever. Now me, I dey think like that too because person like me now where be say I get my own children for here, my grandchildren, everything they here. I want to carry myself, can't go sit down for Nigeria when I don't old. Only me want come there, they bow me. When you old, you need people around you. You need your family around you because at that old age, you don't get papa, you don't get mama again. All your brothers, maybe they don't still do their own. So doing what? Some people, maybe some people, if they come up for a year, they'll go Nigeria. Maybe they say 6 months, 4 months, they'll come back again. Now, true say the weather, it too cold and all those things, especially those people where they for cold weather, where really cold, where we say the snow they fall, you know. All those people. Now, me, I know the judge person. If you like, you say you want to sit down for abroad. If you like, you say you want to go sit down for your Africa. Now, the way where you think, I will never judge you. Some people there for this Europe side, where still come for Euro side. They not even they go Nigeria. They go still pack their low. Can go Canada, where be say headquarter, where be say block. The core where they will go pack, go that side. Me, I believe, say, not be say they don't get the money to go back. But then they look and say, what I want go do for there again? For me, I just the think, what I want go do for there again? My life, you know, say that depends of even your brain. In life, you don't they spend down for a year because this life where you they spend when you young, it's too sweet because at your old age, you know, not be say you want to they work now just to stay and enjoy. If you feel like you want to go Nigeria, go that fine. Like buying something, buying this one for Africa, me I not go feel person, me person not do one. But like that one say if you don't old, you can't carry yourself, can't go back. Now, let me say you want to go die alone for there, be how. Those people will get children because you see people wey be say black dem still born for here, their children no expect say those children dem go come carry their leg, dem wan go stay, they will never. You understand? So all those things, if we dey talk now, ibueva when dem don high ibueva, now you go come look and go. Person wey not born for abroad, all your children there for Africa, it's normal thing say yes, he must go. But the one wey be say born your children for here, at your old age when you want to enjoy your grandchildren and everything, you can't go sit down for Nigeria. That make a good make person they think. Oh, anyway, the way be say not think can go down fine. I see this video, I need to bring am come because most people they always they talk at your old age. Now you go decide where you want to stay. You don't even remain small, say me you can't go. You understand? You know, say when person they young now they pray say no man it's may you make your make God give you more age. Yeah. Because at your old age, you don't already like now small remember you go meet a Baba God. So why you want to go carry yourself, go sit down for Nigeria, only you want to come they like cook food, only you want to come they now understand what I mean, because pikin where you born, where be say they don't marry even for year, they don't even born children. Now you want to expect say you want follow you go the Africa. They will never. So now depends of because person where be say get your children for Africa now. You will be say you born for here, your grandchildren they still there here. You know can't say no be the same class. So now not the same class. Because why? You were there for here, your children they here, your grandchildren they here. If you need anything, they go drive come meet you. You understand? Or they take flight come meet you. But for Africa, before they'll come meet you, they don't even go safe. Because even though say maybe they go before for holiday. Now that is holiday. They say you want to go sit down. That one another different thing. Oh. Anyway, my people, I don't want to make this video too long. It be like say we will talk about this thing. People come I'll try to do something like that. Then people come they call in, everybody get their opinion, all those things. Because me, I never see person where they say they really get the money. They'll just carry their load, they'll go sit down for house. Now just let me just say maybe 2%. Now they do out 2. Not be because you see some people they will be say they get the money, they get time. They get business for house, but they still they come here. They still there here. Maybe they not still get that courage to carry their own pikin where they born for here. Because pikin where you born for here before you come carry and go, especially when they don't grow. If they small, that one still dey one kind. If they don't grow, say they don't get their friends, they go school, they don't. If they hard though, hey, not be lie. Anyway, thank you. God bless you. I need to love and like and share this video. Leave your comments on this video. Okay, bye bye for now. God bless you. I appreciate it.